All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and I did decide to move along with the course instead of uploading some invoices to play around with the model with. I do have a different idea what I'm going to do with that particular model anyway, besides using it for invoices, but we'll revisit that another time. But tonight we did move forward with our coursework, and the next thing that we got into was the text to SQL model that we're going to be building here for our Gemini Pro. Now, in this section, we'll be building an in text to SQL LLM application. Here is an agenda of what we can expect. This is the agenda. I'm pretty sure I went over this with you already. So this is the entire project, the entire agendas of the project. We will now open a project folder. I don't know why I have two R's there. Where we will have our code walkthrough as well as everything else project related. The folder name is Gemini SQL Project. Now, this is the last we're going to be seeing of this particular folder here, the generative AI folder. We are done with this folder, and we do have a dedicated folder for our project. That's this one here. And this is everything we put together tonight. When it stops acting wacky, here we go here. All right. So this is everything for the night as usual. Now that we have our agenda, we will go into the implementation of our project. Here's a list of implementations we will need to begin. Implementation, we're going to use SQLite, and then we're going to have the LLM application. Now, although we can use any SQL, this is the version we will be using. We will be using SQL to insert some records by using the Python programming language. Of course, I missed a letter here. The LLM application. This is the step where we be implementing. No, why would I have this? It's supposed to be this. This is the step we will be implementing. We will be using the LLM to create a simple UI where we can specifically write a query. This LLM application will communicate with Gemini Pro, and then it will communicate with the SQL database, which will give us the answer we are looking for. Let me fix that. And basically, that's all we did so far for the night. We opened up our new folder dedicated for our project. As you can see here, we have our requirements already down. We have our requirements folder. These are the requirements we're going to need to move forward, although we're probably not going to use the python.dmv because, like I said, we're going to use the Google Colab. I'm pretty much really liking that Google Colab notebook. It can do everything we can do in the VS Code, India, Jupyter notebook all in one. So, yeah, I'm pretty much going to stick with that. So we probably won't be needing this python.env folder, but I'm going to build everything exactly the sorry about that. I'm going to build everything exactly the same way that the instructor is building it, even though I probably won't implement everything that he's using. But yeah, I'm just going to build everything so we can keep everything, the way it needs to be. We have our .env.py file, even though it shouldn't be a .py. I need to fix that. It's just a .env file. It's not .py. But yep, so that's everything so far. Like I said, we are starting our new project. We did finish up our last project, which was the invoice extractor, even though I do have different use cases in mind for it. Yeah, so we are completely done that one. And we are starting our next model build, which is going to be a text to SQL model. So yeah, we're going to continue walking through this project. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.